Morning guys, the day we've all been waiting for, the maiden flight of the MinimumRC Red Arrows Hawk. It's not a bad old day, light wind, but there's a bit of cloud about. Hopefully the sun will still be shining, so let's go up and give it a go. Cheers. Here we go. Obviously I'll be flying down here because I can't see it. Well, she feels very smooth. Whoa! I'm flying on full throttle. I think it was struggling a wind. I'll try a roll or something. I've only got two. Oh, I forgot to put my timer on. Oh no! Only got 2 minutes, so let's try a roll. Oh, yeah, it will roll. It's very solid in the air, surprising for a little aeroplane. Oh, I've got 5mm throw each way. I think they actually recommend 4, so it's a little bit twitchy. But a wonderful little flyer actually, really lovely, very smooth. I'm going to bring her in because I forgot to set the timer. Landing. Okay. Okay. Well, there we are guys, that was the maiden flight, really happy with that. I'll reduce the throws I think down to 4mm or increase the expo, but it seemed to be rock steady. I dialed in a small amount of up elevator. It might be slightly nose heavy perhaps, but yeah, really happy. I'll link to the build videos, 2-part, below, and also link to the model on MinimumRC's website. So there we go. Cheers.